going to conduct the special treatment on MOIRA by Tanya Shatseva, and we've started by removing some of the blue regular beads. These are these ones that you see without the beads. They were the blue beads. And so simply match your periwinkle pearls with the blue areas. So the periwinkle pearls are these ones. We're going to replace the regular beads with these special beads, these periwinkle pearls, and place them over here. Aside from that, we've also removed some of the regular white beads for her white mask, and we are going to be replacing these with the special beads, and these are the snow pearls right over here. And finally, for her ring, we are going to replace these beads over here with ice crystals. So we're gonna do that right now and then show you the finished effect. All right, so now we have replaced the regular beads with the 3 special beads. If we come close, we've got the snow pearls on her mask. It's a very subtle effect. And then we've got the periwinkle pearls right over here. As you can see, there are beads that glow a little bit differently. And finally, we've got the ice crystals, which is more prominent in difference with the regular beads, and that is on her ring. So since we've got some leftovers over here, we can actually add a little bit more, and you can choose to use up either all of your special beads or just keep it as how you would like to, whether as little of the special beads as possible or use up all of it. So right now, let's try to add a little bit more. Here's MOIRA by Tanya Shatseva with these special treatment beads. As you can see, it gives a very subtle difference from the original version. Now we can see her ring sparkling a lot more. As you can see, we've replaced the blue areas of her ring with the ice crystals. And now we also have the blue areas right over here with some periwinkle pearls. And finally, her mask is now filled in with a whole bunch of these snow pearls. So simply sprinkle it on the mask. You have the option to kind of place it on all of the wider areas in the background, such as in these areas over here. But in this version, we prefer to use it on her mask. So simply use as much of the snow pearls that you get with a special treatment and place it on her mask. And once again, this is the special treatment version 3 for MOIRA by Tanya Shatseva.